Gautami Dhage from Indrayani English School. Let's start the next lesson, MS Access, Query, Forms and Reports. So first of all, open the Access, click on Start button. Open the Access, Microsoft Office. Then click on Microsoft Office Access 2007. Okay, now here is one option, blank database. Click on blank database. Give the database name. I will keep the database name database 10. Click on create. Okay, now to learn the relationship, queries and forms, we will first create tables, but this time we will create two tables. One is customer and another one is product. Let's create the two table, customer and product. Here two tables are designed. One is customer and second one is product. See, in the customer table, the fields are customer ID, customer name, product ID and quantity. And in product table, the fields are product ID, product, brand and price. If you see carefully, this product ID is same in both the table. Okay, see here also product ID in the product table, and in customer table also there is one field, that is product ID, means product ID is same in both the field. Now students, see here I enter the data in both the table. One is product table and one is customer table. In the product table I enter the product ID 234. The product is backpack, brand is Nick and price is 1200. And second product is denim, product ID is 879, brand is Levi's and price is 1800. Now see, in both the table I kept the product ID same. See here in customer table also the product ID of customer name Charu is 234 and she purchased one quantity, and product ID 879, the customer is Divya and she purchased two quantities. So in both the table, one column, that is the product ID, whose value is same in both the table. Now we will create the relationship between two tables. So for that we want both the table in one place. So click on database tool. Here is one column, relationship. Click on relationship. Okay. Then it will ask which table you want, queries or both. We want both the tables. So just add it. See, you can see both the tables. One is customer and second one is product, and these are the field in that table. Now we will create the relationship between these two tables. So as I told, one column is same, that is the product ID. So just join this with this product ID. See, in both the table product ID is same. So join this. Create. Have you seen one line is going from product ID of customer to the product ID of product table, and this is called a relationship. Okay, if I change the value of product ID of an customer, that value automatically change in the another table of product. Okay, now one question will run in your mind, ki when these things are used, okay, in our day-to-day life. So this relationship, these tables, this access concept is used in a bank, in a shop, where it is necessary to analyze all big data. Okay, suppose you went in a shop and you want to purchase something. If you want to purchase some denim jeans, okay, and in that shop if there are 10 quantities of the jeans, okay, now see there are two tables, means in the computer two tables are maintained. One table is for the customer information, what product they purchase, and another table is for the product. Okay, suppose you are the customer, means your name will be entered in the customer table. Okay, then if you whatever the product purchase, that product has an ID and quantity, it shows how many product you purchase. So all this data is saved in the customer table as you are the customer, and the product information is saved in the product table. Okay, means in that shop how many brands are available, how many quantities are available, this all information saved in this product table. Suppose if you purchase two quantities of jeans, then obviously from that shop that two quantity get minus. Okay, so it is necessary to have a relation between these two tables, so that time this relationship concept is used. So let's see the another one point, query. Now to create a query, click on create tab. Here is one option, query design. Click on query design. Access will ask you which table you want for to design the query. Select the table. Okay, I just selected customer table. Click on add button. So that table you can see here. Now see downside, one design grid will, you can see it here. Now we will design a query. As table get added, now drag each and every field downside. Drag customer ID here, then customer name, then quantity. Okay, and these we don't want. Now we will set the criteria. Quantity customer, criteria is greater than 2 and less than 5. So we want those customers who purchase the quantity greater than 2 but less than 5. Only that customer we want. Now as you enter the criteria, then click on design tab upside. There is one option run. Click on run option and see the output. See, there are no customer who purchased more than 2 quantity and less than 5 quantities. So again we will change the criteria. So I will set one more criteria. The quantity is less than 2. Okay, now see, run this. Okay, now there is only one customer, that is Charu, who purchased only one quantity, means less than 2. Now you understand, means if there will be a big data analysis, means too much records are there, uncountable, and you want to find some record, that time this query concept is used. Next we will see the concept of form. To learn the form, click on product table, then click on create tab. There is one option form design. Click on form design. See, you can see the form like this. So we have to design the form now. You now add all the fields. Form means, in short, it's like a bill. At last we want a summary, how much product and who purchased. That summary is nothing but the bill. So we can design this form. In short, we can make the bill in the Access. So this is the designing part, how you will show in the bill part. To check how this form will look like, create on form view. You can see your form on the screen. Now we will see how to design the report. Again, click on customer table. Click on report. See, you can see the report layout tool. It's like a bill. After purchasing, you will get a bill. So this is like a bill. See, the customer name, customer ID, product ID and quantity, and today's date and time. This is page 1. If so many customers are there, it display in different pages. So this is called as an report or bill, which at last customer get at in his or her hand. So student, in this way I will revise once again everything. First of all, we created the two tables. One is customer and second one is product. Okay, then after we enter the data in the both table, but we enter the data in such a way that we keep this product ID same in both the table. Okay, see, the product ID is same in both the table. Then we learn relationship. Relationship means I just drag one line from this product ID to this product ID. Means if in our shop, if there are 10 quantities and if a customer purchase 8 quantities, so that get automatically subtracted from the product table. So to keep this relation, we use this relationship. Then after relationship, we learn the query. Query is used to extract the data. Extract the data means if there are thousands of record and you want only 2 or 3 records from that, so that time you can use the query. Then we learn form, how to design the form. Okay, then at last we learn a report, how to make the report. Report means it's like a bill or a last receipt that we give to the customer.